Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish Academy. This is episode 463. I'm at YM Camera today, and I got the surprise of my life. This is so awesome. You will not believe, okay, maybe you will because I put it in the title, but they are allowing me to take this Nikon Z6 full frame mirrorless with the 24 to 70 f4, and this is native mount on the Z camera. They're allowing me to take this home. What? So I'm gonna shoot with it, I'm gonna experiment, and I gotta tell you, I'm gonna put it through its paces because I'm a little skeptical. I just wanna see what all of the hoopla is about. Now, I shoot Nikon. I have the Nikon D750. I shoot it for my professional work. I also have the Fuji X-T3 mirrorless that I love, and now I'm gonna be shooting with this and see what I think. If you have any questions on the Nikon Z6 mirrorless, let me know. I've not shot with it before, so I'm gonna experiment with RAW versus JPEG. Also, face tracking is coming out, I believe in a couple days. It's a firmware update, so I'll be sure to update that and see how that performs. They're also allowing me to borrow the adapter, obviously, so I can mount all of my current Nikon lenses. This is gonna be great, I just thought of this. Besides my current Nikon lenses, I also have the Tamron Nikon mount 70 to 200 that I can put on the Z6 and see how it performs. Aren't you curious? Because if you have a Nikon DSLR and you have several lenses, and maybe some of those are Tamron and Sigma, aren't you curious as to how they would perform on the adapter and the mirrorless? I'm curious, a little skeptical. I'm sure it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna be posting a lot about this in the FA community group, obviously, but I'm gonna take it one step further with the Flourish Academy members who belong to the membership. So if you wanna check that out, I'll post a link below, and I'll see you in the next video.